Welcome back, you guys. Hey, how you been? What you been up to? Y'all been hustling, working hard on the soda company, Fun Time Soda Pop. So I apologize, I've been a little late on getting things loaded up, but hopefully I'll have a bunch more for y'all. Today, it is finally time to change up the wheels on the Sienna. Now, I asked people what they thought, what we should do color-wise. Everybody said, keep the bronze. It looks great. So thanks to my friends at Fitment Industries, I have a beautiful set of wheels that's about to go on here. These ADV ones have been awesome. I did get a little aggressive when I ordered them. Yeah, sometimes I do that. My buddy Mike Forsyth helped me order these. They're just a hair wide. Let me show you. So the stance of the van, I think, is perfect. I did not want to lower this one. I didn't want to airbag it. I just want to have a nice wheel and tire setup on there, something I was never worried about. So these are your 265, 45, 20s, ADV ones that my friend Mike Forsyth picked out and helped me order. But if you look down the side, see how you got just a little bit of tire hanging out? Just a little bit of tire hanging out back there. See, every time this door opens, right there, the door panel scrubs. So these new wheels are tucked in just a hair more. I am going to redo the chrome covered trim on the roof. I think it's time. It's been 4 years, I think, to redo all this. So we're going to replace that. Yeah. See, we're going to put new stuff on there. Boop. Get this back to Foxy Wraps for that. And yeah, let's get them on. Okay, so let's talk about how well these wheels are packaged. So first off, everything is mounted, balanced, ready for you to bolt on. So there's cardboard, and then there's this super thick kind of plastic foam sort of thing. And then underneath all that is your wheel. Pretty incredible. Also, if you need mounting hardware, new lug nuts, anything like that, they include all that stuff. And I'm just going to go one at a time here. Pop these off. I will say, I don't think my family can drive the van anymore. You know, we got some curbage on every wheel now. It's pretty intense, I can't lie. I mean, come on. That poor wheel did not deserve that. I can't lie. I did part of this. It's the only wheel I've ever curbed. I'll explain. So I came back to the U.S. after doing the Hot Wheels show, Ultimate Garage. I had not driven for 2.5 months. I was leaving the Walgreens. It was like a gunshot. It was so loud. My girl's like, Dad, what was that? And I was like, I think Daddy just destroyed the wheel. And sure enough, I took a huge chunk out of it. And then my family polished it off. These new wheels look so good, it's ridiculous. I can't wait to show them all done. I gotta keep working. Okay, you guys. There she is. We got the new Ferrada wheels on from Fitment Industries. Right now, the car is recalibrating the tire pressure monitor system. What's so cool is when you go to Fitment Industries website, you can pick out, this is the car, this is what I'm looking for. Figure out all your dimensions. You want to go up? Do you want to stay factory? Everything like that. Then you order it. For me, I went with these Yokohama. These are the ADVAN Sport AS Plus. Great all-weather tire on here. For me, this is like the family truckster. This is the road trip vehicle. This is just the fun times all around ride. And love the polished lip. Looks great on there. Now I got to decide, do I want to take the bronze off here and have a little chrome? Do I want to have the chrome on the roof rack? So many choices here, but love the setup. It's a lot more of a factory type setup at this point. You notice there's no more crazy poke. Don't get me wrong. I would love to have something wide and flared out, but I was literally rubbing a hole in the door panel back here. Every time it would open, it would hit those. So these look awesome. Nice little concave setup on there. And yeah, I love it. This thing's such a cool little ride. I know not everybody gets vans, and not everybody's, cool enough to get vans, and that's okay. I promise. I'll be more active on here. I really will. Until I see you next time, go check out Fun Time Soda Pop. We're on Amazon. We're in a bunch of 7-Elevens in Chicago. We're in a ton of bodegas in New York. But we can be to your house in 2 days. Amazon Prime. Go hit us up. Fun Time Soda Pop. I feel like this needs a logo or maybe just some cans on the back window. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Big shout out to all my friends at Yokohama that helped make this project happen. Yokohama is a huge part of our movie Drifter. So shout out to Sung Kang, who also loves the Sienna. And huge thanks to my friends at Fitment Industries for helping me get the perfect setup on here. Go check them out today. Doesn't matter what you got, car, truck, you name it, they can help you. Fitmentindustries.com. See y'all next time. Thanks.